Silky, deeply flavorful, and probably one of the most underrated pastas, this comes together in just 30 minutes and works beautifully as a weeknight dinner, a summer meal, or even an impressive holiday dish. So this is one of those recipes that when you look at the ingredients, you think there's no way it's going to turn out well. But I swear this pasta is so flavorful, it tastes even better the next day. One of the secrets to incredibly flavorful sauce is using medium-low heat with a good quality olive oil to slowly cook the shallots and garlic. This technique of sweating draws out their natural moisture, releases their sweetness, and builds a flavor foundation that makes the sauce so wonderful. So while the shallots slowly cook, add your pasta to the boiling water and cook until about 1 minute shy of al dente, which simply means the pasta still has a slight bite to it when you taste it. It will finish cooking in the sauce, and that is where it absorbs all the wonderful flavor. So one of the things that happens when you tell people that you're going to cook with anchovies is that they will usually cringe, wrinkle their nose, and they look like they just smelled sour milk. And so I do think, though, that if you fall in that camp, that this pasta really could change your mind. Garlic and chili pepper flakes are added and cooked for about a minute, and then add the anchovies. With the help of a wooden spoon, they will melt right into the sauce. Anchovies are one of those secret ingredients that has been making Italian cuisine amazing for centuries. And honestly, I don't even know how to describe what it does for this pasta. It makes every bite so amazingly tasty. After the anchovies have been incorporated into the oil, add the tomato paste. Toasting it for 60 to 90 seconds brings out a richness and a subtle sweetness. Additionally, the acidity in tomato paste brings in another delicious layer of flavor. Now stir in the white wine and cook it until it reduces by half. White wine is an ingredient that basically helps all the other flavors marry together. Before straining the pasta, make sure to save about 3/4 of a cup of the starchy pasta water. Add the cooked pasta to the sauce and then add the cold butter straight from the refrigerator a little at a time while tossing constantly. This emulsifies the sauce, creating that silky, glossy finish that coats every single piece of pasta and makes it taste like a 5-star restaurant made it. Add in the pasta water, Italian parsley, lemon zest, and juice. The starchy pasta water helps the sauce cling to the pasta, and the lemon adds a beautiful finishing brightness to the dish. Once served, garnish with freshly grated pecorino romano or parmesan. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.